Good evening, everyone. I'm glad you've joined us here in Sweden. With the EQC, we intended this to be a new generation Mercedes. The future certainly will be defined by a full range of electric vehicles, the EQC being the first one.
The new EQC is a Mercedes through and through. It's got a very powerful 300 kilowatt performance and a large battery with 80 kilowatt hours and everything that you expect from a Mercedes. Top safety, quality, the ride and the drive.
With our new Mercedes-Benz EQC, our customer can use our MBUX.
Hey Mercedes, please have my car ready for 8 a.m. tomorrow morning.
And the car will understand and do so.
Okay, I will have the car charged by 8 a.m.
So let's now witness the dawn of a new era for our company. This is the new Mercedes-Benz EQC.
It looks brilliant. It's like a proper Mercedes, and it's clean, it's silent, it's just as fast probably, and I'm already looking forward to driving one myself.